After this tip, you never thread a needle like you used to. That's right, everyone. Now I'm gonna show you the secret of the best seamstresses so that you can thread the needle without any difficulty. So here's the thing, as time goes by, some people start to have difficulties and losing their vision, and then they keep failing to thread the needle. Some people even put the needle in the palm of their hand and rub it like so. But fortunately, you don't have to do any of this, folks. Now I'm going to teach you a pretty simple trick so that you can thread the needle without any difficulty. So let's go. First, this is what you need. The broom? No, actually, we're just going to need this. We're only going to need a broom bristle. So go ahead and pick a good one. Alright, this will do. Then take a pair of scissors and cut it off. We're gonna need just one of them. Very well, folks. Now let's take the piece of bristle and let's fold it in half like this. Now press it right here in the middle so that it stays like this. Now let's get our needle. And since the bristle is way firmer than the thread, we'll be able to pass it through the needle much easier. So, because the bristle is harder, it is gonna be easier. You see the bristle opening right here? Now just go ahead and thread it. Alright, now check this out. Thread the bristle just like I'm doing here, through this opening. Then just simply pull the bristle, and now you'll be able to thread the needle much more easily. And that's very cool, isn't it? So that's it, folks. A pretty simple and quick tip that I'm sure can help many people. Let me show you one more time. So you use the same piece of bristle. You won't have to cut another one every time. So take the bristle, open it up a little bit like so, and then just thread the gap in the bristle. Then, as soon as you thread it, just pull the bristle and the line comes with it. Much easier that way, right? So that's it. In my opinion, this is the easiest way to thread the needle. Recently, I also brought another tip with paper. Some of you guys have already seen it. But for me, this is the easiest. It's my personal favorite. So that's it, folks. If you have a grandmother, an aunt, or even your mother who has trouble threading the needle, show them this trick. I'm pretty sure this trick's gonna help a lot of people out there.